Hello students, in previous video we have discussed the exercise of lesson number 8, that is water scarcity and conservation of water. Now today we will discuss the question answers of this lesson. So the first question is, how much of the surface of earth is covered by water? सो वाटर से कितना सरफेस कवर्ड है इस हमारे अर्थ का. सो यू नो दैट 3/4 दैट मीन्स 3/4 3/4 ऑफ द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ इज कवर्ड बाय वाटर. दैट मीन्स 3 parts out of 4 that we have already learned in the chapter कि 4 पार्ट में से 3 पार्ट्स जो हैं वो उतना सरफेस जो है अर्थ का वाटर से कवर्ड है. सो रिमेनिंग 1% इज लैंड. Now name 3 sources of fresh water. So you know that there are 2 types of water, salt water and fresh water. And salt water we found in sea and oceans. And you have to name the 3 sources of fresh water. So fresh water means water which is not salty. So the 3 sources of fresh water are rivers, streams, lakes. So these are the 3 sources of fresh water. State the effect of deforestation on rainfall. So we have learned the 3 factors that causes the shortage of rainfall. So this is one of them. To state the effect of deforestation. Deforestation से भी हमारी क्या होता है, शॉर्टेज होती है वाटर की. हाउ? Because it decreases, or you can say deforestation causes a decrease in rainfall. Because deforestation से number of trees decrease हो जाएंगे, और number of trees कम हो जाएंगे तो rainfall भी जो है वो भी कम हो जाएगी. Because plants or trees helps to bring the rain. Now state 2 reasons that are leading to clearing of forests. So we have learnt that trees are cutting, that is deforestation, and you have to mention 2 reasons for it. So first reason is for building houses and factories. So जब houses and factories build करेंगे, so you need a land, और land के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, trees cut करने पड़ेंगे. trees cut होंगे तभी उस land पे houses and factories build हो पाएगी. So first reason is for building houses and factories. And the second reason is that for earning money by selling wood. Because many peoples are cutting down trees just for earning money. How? By selling its wood. So this is the second reason. So the 2 reasons for that are leading to clearing of forests are for building houses and factories, and for second is for earning money by selling wood. Next is state 1 utility of dams. So dams की बहुत सारी utilities होती है. You have to write any one utility. So dam is helpful to check floods. That is one utility. You can write other also. It helps to preserve or a large amount of water. Or you can say it stores large amount of water, or it helps to develop electricity, generate electricity. Dams are used to generate electricity. So you can write any one utility of dam. So in your book, the one utility of dam that is given is to check floods, right? So these are the questions which we have to answer in brief. Now the answers the following questions. State 3 factors that are responsible for water scarcity. So we have learned the 3 factors that are responsible for water scarcity are population, deforestation, and third one is setting up of factories. Right? So population, deforestation, and third one is setting up of factories. How does setting up of factories affect the groundwater level? So जो थर्ड रीजन जो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि वो कैसे ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल को अफेक्ट करता है सेटिंग अप ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज. सो सेटिंग अप ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज causes a decrease in the level of underground water. So किस तरह से इफेक्ट करता है वो डिक्रीज कर देता है ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल को, बिकॉज जो फैक्ट्रीज होती है दे टेक आउट द ग्राउंड वाटर टू फुलफिल देयर नीड्स एंड दैट ग्राउंड वाटर डज नॉट गेट replenished ड्यू टू द शॉर्टेज ऑफ रेनफॉल, और फिर क्या हो जाता है ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल जो है वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है. सो सेटिंग अप ऑफ फैक्ट्रीज कॉज अ डिक्रीज इन द लेवल ऑफ अंडरग्राउंड water. Next is state 2 ways to do rainwater harvesting. So rainwater harvesting करने के 2 ways हमें बताने हैं. So the 2 ways to do rainwater harvesting are: first, rainwater can be collected in large underground tanks. We can make large underground tanks और उसमें हम रेन वाटर को स्टोर कर सकते हैं. सो एंड सेकेंड वन इज इट कैन बी कलेक्टेड इन ओवरहेड टैंक्स फॉर अवर डेली नीड्स. राइट, ओवरहेड टैंक्स में भी हम उनको कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं हमारे, और उसको हम अपने नीड्स के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं. नाउ हाउ शुड द फील्ड्स बी इरिगेटेड टू रिड्यूस वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर. So we have learned that how we can conserve water on large scale. So उसमें ये हमने डिस्कस किया था, लर्न किया था कि कैसे हम फील्ड्स को इरिगेट कर सकते हैं वेस्टेज को रिड्यूस करने के लिए. So we should use a water sprinkler, right? A water sprinkler should be used for irrigation. First thing कि हम इरिगेशन के लिए क्या यूज करेंगे, वाटर स्प्रिंकलर. And second thing, over irrigation of field should be checked. So these are the 2 things that we have to keep it in mind to reduce the wastage of water. That is, a water sprinkler should be used for irrigation, and over irrigation of fields should be checked to reduce the wastage of water. वाटर की वेस्टेज जो है रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम वाटर स्प्रिंकलर भी यूज कर सकते हैं, और जो ओवर इरिगेशन ज्यादा वाटर दे देते हैं हम फील्ड्स को वो भी हमें चेक करना है. एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्टेट एनी 3 वेज ऑफ कंजर्विंग वाटर एट होम. सो वाटर को हम घर में कैसे कंजर्व सकते हैं, दैट इज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड मैनी वेज of conserving water at home. So you can write any 3 ways. So जो भी आपको easy लगती है that you can write, like turn off the tap after using it, use a mug and bucket to take bath instead of a shower, and get the leaking pipes and taps repaired immediately. So ये आप 3 ways आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं और दूसरी भी लिख सकते हैं जो आपकी बुक में मेंशन्ड है. देयर आर 6 or 7 ways are given. You can write any 3. So these are the easier one. First, turn off the tap after using it. बंद कर देना चाहिए टैप, जब यूज कर लेते हैं उसका यूज हो जाता है. Second, use mug and bucket to take bath instead of shower. And third one is get the leaking pipes and taps repaired immediately. So we have discussed the question answers of this lesson, and you will get these question answers on the school's website, so you can write the answers from there. अब उधर से डाउनलोड करके आप इसको लिख सकते हैं. So in next video we will discuss the value based question of this lesson and something to do. Thank you.